Hey, what's up, YouTube? What's up, traders? August 31st, 2015. We had a crazy day in the market today. But there was still money to be made. So the market opened up high and it took a dip. It closed, from where it opened up high, it just went straight low. So from 1983, I think it was down to like 1940. All right. So let's take a look at a couple of stocks that I did trade that was on the move in the last couple of days. First one is Alcoa, ticker symbol ACI. So you can see Alcoa is a stock that's just been taking a hit. It's an energy stock. All right, it's been getting beat down with gas, oil, and everything else has been getting beat down in reference to this energy sector. So when you look at the stock from the beginning of this year is right here actually. The beginning of 2015, after being up, up $31 and 70 cents was where it was coming from. You got this high right here was about $29, and ever since then the stock has just been on a downtrend, significant downtrend. So for the last 8 months, the stock been straight diving. So right here, I think we finally hit a low. On what is this, August 5th, we finally hit a low, or took a breather from this straight dive, and the stock kind of popped up right here, as you can see right here. All right, so the stock was coming from $1.99 right here, and you can see the stock continue moving sideways, but right here on this day right here on August 19th, it started to show some life. And right here, if I was watching, it would have been the perfect place to take a trade. For the simple fact is, you're coming, from a low after this humongous dive for the last couple of months. So your risk to the downside is kind of, it's kind of low. So right here would have been a perfect place to take the trade. And if you did take the trade at 99 cents, you would have bought 10,000 shares here at would have cost you 10 grand. But in a few days, you would have been up $90,000. All right. And this is how trading goes. All right. So I wish, this is the trade that I had took. But let's talk about my trade. Because I wasn't watching this stock until this day here, when the market opened right here, after I saw this little stagnant sideways on this move right here. You can see they pushed it down, and again you kept on seeing these tails being pushed down, being pushed down. So when I saw this one right here, I waited the next day to see how it was going to open it up, and it was going to open up uh uh, you know um above the 20-day moving average, above the 50-day moving average, and up top would be the target right here. Okay, if you was watching a day chart, but I wasn't watching a day chart because the market was crazy. So I decided I'm gonna take my trade a little bit faster, take my money a little bit faster. So I actually traded a day chart, as you can see here. But I'm gonna look at the hourly chart, give you a better picture. So as you can see, if you this is about 3 weeks now. This chart is showing you. So when you look at right here, you can see the stock was dead right here, all right, and price crossed over this 50-day moving average here, and life started right here on this Wednesday. Okay, so from here would have been a perfect place to take the trade, but I didn't see this. This didn't catch my eyes until somewhere around here after all this move has happened. All right, so I saw the stock right here, so I took a trade inside of here. All right, for this inside this stagnant, you see sideways action. It's kind of stagnant right here, but it's still in the green. Right here, I took this trade and I rode this up into this next level up right here. So this is where I kind of exit this trade inside of here. So at around 640, I'm on the same candle if it was a day chart, but around here is where I kind of exit this trade. All right, so it was a great trade. All right, and then the next day you see the stock continue going up higher, and again today, which was Monday, it created another leg up. So I should have been in. I didn't follow one of my rules by selling, 75% of my shares, 80% of my shares, and let 20% ride. If I would have did that, then there would have been nothing to complain about. But that's the only part of my rules that I missed. But still made money on this stock. Still, took this move up. So we're gonna drop a Fibonacci retracement actually right on here. And I like to go back on the Fib retracement from where the move actually began. So in this pullback right here, let's put it right here. All right. Right at the bottom of this pullback right here. So if I put it on this bottom of this pullback right here, as you can see, like I said, you know, I should have went lower. Let's go lower with this. I don't like, you know, this is on the pullback of the move. I don't like this. Let's do the retracement from where it actually hit the 1035, and let's bring it back to where the move began. All right, that's a better. I like to do it that way better. Because if you do it that way better, where the move began, then it's like, okay, now we're not guessing nothing. So now when I'm looking at it right here, as you can see, I didn't have no fibs up when I bought the stock. I actually bought the stock in here off this 38.2 retracement. All right, and as you can see, I actually exit the stock on the 61.8 fib retracement. So without looking at, you know, the fib that I have up right now, because, you know, when I traded this stock last Thursday, I didn't have no fib in front of me. From where I took the trade on the open to where I got rid of the trade, and if I draw the Fibonacci retracement now from today's high, as you can see, this was a perfect place to get rid of this stock right here. All right, so I hope, you know, going over this stock, a few things are clear for you guys. So what am I looking for this stock to go? As you can see, it already hit a high of $10.35. So I'm looking for it to pull back really into here, into this area right here. So anywhere around the $7 range, maybe it might come a little bit lower, come down here, but somewhere around here is where I'm looking for this to see if this momentum is going to continue up higher. But as usual, you know, I'm always looking at my MACD and my momentum. So my momentum right here is crossing to the downside. My MACD is crossing to the downside. So I have to see where this price actually bounced back up at. So this is ticker symbol ACI. Hope you guys, you know, make some money on this. Always do your due diligence, because trading involves risk, and you can lose all your money, if not all of it. So traders, okay, I hope I answered all your questions. Investors, feel free to send me the email, the number 3, the letter D, consult me at Gmail. Peace.